history and nature, if you find it together, cherish it. Hi guys, so we just entered Wadi Al Helo towards the archaeological site. This is almost like 108 kilometers from Dubai. Hi, so this is us. So we just started entering from this to this archaeological site. A lot of, let's see, they say like a lot of off-roading is involved here, and we have started here, and let's see how it goes. So if you're coming here, you have to actually it's better to use the 4x4. Hi, so we just reached here at the archaeological park site of Wadi Al Helo, the Helo Valley. Actually, this was the watchtower before, and they say like a system of 3 watchtowers safeguarded the village. That was entire village around, and its surrounding farms during the period of crucial states. With the 2 watchtowers located in the mountains, I think one is there far away. I'm not sure if you can see that, and there is one on the other side as well. So there are 2 watchtowers there, and 1 watchtower is here. Okay, and the one at the head of the valley, which is here. So lookouts could raise the alarm if danger approaches. So this was the watchtower in case of any dangers to the village. So let's see if there's anything to see in there. Let's go in there anyway. We'll see. So let me show you the closer look of this watchtower. Very old place, very old place. Let's see what are the legends for this. We don't know about it. There is not much history that is written here, like in this area actually. But that looks pretty nice. It's pretty nice, yeah. It is very nice, beautiful. Wow, cool, man. There's a nice place to visit. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is me along with the watchtower again. So let's see if we have got anything else here. I don't know what's in here. Okay, I'll try to go up and see what's that. Oh, there's a place to go up there. What can it be, man? I think it can be either storage house. Maybe it's a water system. Huh? I don't think so. I think it was kind of water storage or something. So let me just show you down. It seems like it was a storage system for water or something else, probably water. Okay, this is the watchtower, very nice, and this is a small village around here. I think the offroading that we did so far from the main road, it was almost 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. This is the area around it. Wow, this is very nice valley, Wadi Al Helo. Okay, let's go further. This is also an extension to the archaeological site. This was called Prosperous Community. Let me tell you what is it exactly. This multi-courtyard house was built around. Oh, it was a house actually. Was built around in 1900. It had a central tower and stairs that are still visible. It was part of a village that had around 20 houses, a mosque, cemeteries, stone wall storages, sewage wells. These features suggest that this was a community that lived in stability and prosperity. Wow, so this was kind of it was a house. So let's see. Let's go in there and let's see what we have got in there. So this was a watchtower of that particular community and that house, courtyard house actually, that we saw down there. It seems like it's almost gone. Only the stairs are left. So if you come here, like there's nothing much to see, but all the remains of this old courtyard and the watchtower and the houses. But a nice place actually. If you want to connect yourself to the history, to the old dated community that time and how they were living that time. So this is a good place to reminisce yourself with the history and the details about it. So yeah, like I don't know, let's see. This was a village and there is a watchtower up there.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a watchtower here. There's also like a small community here. Like entire village is big.
Yeah.
This is like, even they also had, for this particular small community, they also had a watchtower.
Yeah, exactly.
It seems like they were very. It seems like there was a lot of dangers were here.
Yeah, true.
That's where they had to build a lot of watchtowers.
It seems like, yeah.
2 watchtowers are there in the mountains. One
Yeah.
is here. And
We're gonna move. Yeah. I think they can see.
Pretty like alarming. Maybe that time. So let's go down there and let's see. Thanks. Okay, let's go down there.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. It might be slippery.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just avoiding the stones to step. Oh, look at the steps. Oh. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
So, let's see what else we have got in this community house. I think this might be a room or something because it has places to keep.
It has a partition here which is already damaged.
See here? Stuff to keep.
Yeah, to keep his stuffs here.
Right. So it might be kind of a room or maybe a storage place.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It is a room.
That might be. This looks like a room as well, right?
Yeah.
It also has the same storage place and stuff.
Yeah. Same.
And probably that might be an attachment because it has also like the tower column there.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, there's a column down there.
Yeah, exactly. So
And then it goes up, so it might have connectivity somewhere else.
Yeah.
See, maybe it was connected to the tower as well.
To the tower, maybe.
Yeah. It might be a courtyard. It seems like it was a community, right? So a lot of small houses were here.
Are you trying to being archaeologist?
I'm just trying to tell you. I'm trying to see. We have got something else also here.
This looks like, yeah, seems like there is double stories, yeah?
Yeah, it's double story kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Let's go up there.
It seems like, right, I have to come there. Okay, I'll follow you. How people wish to go.
Oh, that's it. Not much up to go. But yeah, I think it has a lot of places that they have kept it. I'm not sure what was that for, but it seems like
We'll see this place around.
it was a big community.
Yeah,
Very big community, but it has a lot of houses. So if you just show, Ali,
yeah, sure.
if you show there, so it seems like there are a lot of houses extended to that level.
That level, yeah.
There, even that side. Even here.
All around from here.
Yeah, not very far from here, but I think around an area of maybe maximum 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Right, maximum 1 kilometer, entire area.
Yeah, entire.
Yeah, square kilometer. Here, traveler. Yeah. Very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's just go down there. See, it's not very easy.
Get down, buddy.
I think history and nature, if you find it together, cherish it. Like they have given very small information on the entrance. As per the inscription that is there on the entrance, it seems like it was a community house, courtyard house actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So that was built in 1,900 years. They call it prosperous community because it has so many things. It had a watchtower, everything was inside.
Yeah.
So that's why they had everything within the community, within that house. So they called this, based on that, prosperous community.
Yep.
All right, let's go back further. Hello everybody. So we are somewhere in Wadi Al Helo. You know what is the meaning of Helo?
Sweet, right?
Yes, it is sweet. So it's sweet valley. Why it's called sweet valley? Because the water is sweet here. Anyway, so we have decided to just go to the to that Watchtower, which is on the mountain. So here we are again trekking. We love trekking, don't we, Ali? Inshallah, I think it seems. Just be careful. Lose some fats. It's a trek with no trek. So, if you show there, Ali, that side. See, you can see there, far away from here. That's the Watchtower, and that was the city, the community. So, and here we are towards this side, which is the Watchtower again, another one, the one on the mountain. So here we continue again our journey further to the trek. We don't have much time actually here. It's only 1 hour we have got. So let's see. Yalla, keep following. Wow, this place is nice, man. The mountains all around. Wow, I love it. Ali, see, this place, whenever there is rain,
Yeah, exactly.
the water flows from here. You know, like a few days ago, last week actually, it was raining, right?
Yeah.
So there was water going from here. Oh my goodness. You have to be careful. Be careful, Ali. This is not very strong. It's not very strong. Oh. Yay! Show your car there.
Can't see it. Oh,
It's far, man. Oh, so we have come a bit far actually. Nice. I like it. Perfect. It's a very easy trek actually. It's a very easy trek. But it's very nice actually.
compared to that,
That was not difficult, but that was a bit longer than this, I guess. But this was a very small one. But it's a different one. No people around. You're just yourself, and mountains all around again. Beautiful. It's not very high altitude one, but it's nice. Oh, that is the tower. This is, here we go. Tower is here. Oh wow, man. Look at the view from here. So this seems like this is, I don't know, something is there. It's like a room on the top, I think for security purposes. Let's see what we have got inside. Oh, so this is a very small room actually, and it has the entrance that is like made of wood, and there is something, some kind of thread is there, probably just to avoid the moisture and stuff. Probably because it's kind of moisty, especially when it comes to rainy seasons, I guess. Very nice, impressive. And even this is of wood, and maybe palm wood as well on the top. Yeah, pretty nice. And it also has like the water circulation. Sorry, the air circulation is there around as well. Pretty cool, pretty impressive. Very nice, impressive. Wow. Oh, look at the view from here. Very nice, impressive. Wow, we have come like quite far, I guess. It seems from the view actually, you know. Yeah, let's see around the place here, all around. That is pretty nice, pretty impressive. Cool. So after we have made it to the summit of this particular mountain and trek, see, this is a beautiful view from here. Wow, it is nice, amazing, right? So let's go back. Nice place, guys. So if you are planning to, if you decide to have a nice getaway from the city, this is one of the places which is not very,
It's a good. There will be good options too.
yeah, there are a lot of options, but this place is nice because if you want to stay away from people, if you go towards the normal, the most visited places, you'll find a lot of people out there, so you won't really get to enjoy the loneliness and peace and solitude. So if you want to just enjoy somewhere a bit far and remote where there are not a lot of people, this is a nice place to visit. You also get to enjoy the, what do you call it, the trekking as well. Nice off-road trek, so it's a mixture of road, off-road, trekking, and if you are lucky, if you find the rain, perfect. And there is also a way, by the way, they're building a road here now, like once you go towards the left side. So there's a road going towards, connecting to Dibba. So that might also be a shortcut to Dibba. So if you are planning to come here and going from here to Dibba, it's easier, it's easier and faster. So you can also you can have like a camp here at night, or like even at Dibba side there, and you can plan your day accordingly. So perfect place, nice place, a nice getaway from the city, from the hustle bustle of city. I like it actually. Although I just came here for a few hours, it is very much doable and very easy, not very difficult. Yeah, the off-road is a bit challenging, especially like if you are coming on your sedan. Don't come on sedan because you'll have a very hard time. You'll be cursing us on the way. It was a very small trek, but small trekking, but we enjoyed it. So our target was to visit the first tower, then the prosperous community, and then the main, one of the two towers in the mountains. This is one. I'm not really sure where's the other one, maybe somewhere around. So we just covered two towers. So at least we tried to cover this place that was there historically, and we liked it. It's actually a blended history, nature, mountains, rocks, trekking, fun, chit chat, campsite, everything is together. So yeah, it's a nice place actually to visit. So if you are also towards the history side, this is also a nice place to visit because you don't get to see so many history places here, historical places in UAE, especially in Dubai. So this is not Dubai actually, this is Sharjah. This place, Wadi Al Helo, is part of Sharjah. Cool. All right. Thank you so much for visiting. Thank you, Ali, for bringing me here, and thank you guys for watching this video. Keep traveling, keep enjoying your life as long as you're alive. Yeah, life is short. Make it worth it. So the more you kind of look at these places and enjoy these places, you cherish more the blessings of God, right? We are so thankful and grateful to God who has given us so beautiful places. Thank you guys for watching Travel with Aman. Keep watching, keep safe, take care, have a good night. Bye bye.